Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to change Amazon country settings. In order to change your Amazon country settings, you'll need to first of all update the application. After that, log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page, and this is how it's going to look like. Once you're on the home page, you need to go to your profile in the bottom left corner of your screen. This is going to direct you to the profile page. Over here, go to your account, which is right on top, and it's going to direct you to the your account page. Right on this page, you'll be able to see multiple options. So from the list, you need to go ahead and click on manage address. In your case, you might have something like your addresses, and in order to make changes with the address, click on the edit button. Now click on the cancel button. Now click on the add new address button, which is located right on top, and after that you'll be able to make changes with your country. So for that, you need to click on the arrow icon located right on top next to the country that you've selected recently, and click on the add address button. As soon as you've done that, enter in all of these details and click on the add address button. So that is how you can change country settings on Amazon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.